This is the Corbin Rear Fender Undertail kit for Sportster S models from 21 to 23. This kit relocates the fender and the undertail of your Sportster with the Corbin Undertail kit. This Corbin kit converts your original Sportster S fender into a low-profile look to clean things up visually. The Corbin fender also provides a stylish extension to keep the road grime from slinging off the rear tire and onto your passenger. This kit allows the use of the Harley pillion pad or the full Corbin seat with passenger seating integrated. The kit is constructed of a durable ABS construction with a steel support structure and is designed to integrate into the Sportster to match the look and emulate the lines of the existing bike. The Undertail kit will also come painted in the color code that you request to match your bike. The kit will also include a black license plate frame to complete the look, and it will come pre-bent to conform to the shape of the fender. Make sure to order your Corbin Undertail kit at accessoryinternational.com. Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.